G'day everyone, Jake Phillips here and welcome to kicking off GenAngus 2023 in Adelaide, South Australia. We've welcomed 12 delegates to the ACME GenAngus Future Leaders program this year and as tradition continues, we've thrown them right into the deep end and learning a little bit about themselves, a bit about each other and a great deal about the beef industry. Today we've headed off to the Adelaide tree climb and gone 2 or 3 stories up in some of the magnificent gum trees that are in the Adelaide CBD. And that's all about, on the high ropes course, conquering your fears, working as a team and getting around each other and I suppose doing something that you're uncomfortable with and getting comfortable with being uncomfortable. We then moved to the escape room and broke into teams and we had a great time there where we had to solve some mysteries and puzzles and had a bit of a competition about who could get out of the room first. It's all about setting the scene at GenAngus here for the next few days and opening up our minds to what's possible in our businesses and our lives more broadly. And we've been really excited to welcome our 12 delegates from across Australia and New Zealand to Adelaide this week, and we look forward to the next few days. We've got a great range of speakers from across the beef industry, which was great, and kicking off with our official dinner, of course, with Emma Thomas from ACME and Scott Wright from Angus Australia, and our keynote speaker, the Managing Director of MLA, Mr Jason Strong, a previous alumni of some of the Angus Youth Scholarships. It was great to hear a really candid, open conversation from Jason about his experiences through his working career and his life more broadly, and I think a lot of our delegates would take a lot home from his ability to address the crowd on some of the things he's learnt over his life. So we're looking forward to the rest of the week and we can't wait to see what these delegates can do and what they can learn.